Mwanchu wa Murindo cyaragira Chinsa Ikomi ritwara ya Alhamisi tariki 5 na 2 cy'umutinyo yiga Ikomi narimo kinga kinde kingiya twemeraniraga Getembe Television tukumanye Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ya senchera buraibwense mheshimiwa Kamala Harris ninge sogeti ya uritwara na wanchirana na matokeo satebire nga ankyo Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi atoge chaka EMASE yemugorase county 001 na county ya Mombasa asiritwara ya Romo waziri bwekisemi mheshimiwa wakili Migos Ogamba niga umiranire EMASE yemonabateneneri bonsi abarense yekyombegia Kenya Primary School Sales Association capture abali asomochie Mombasa gukwanira yaringete sector yekisemi kuri nubwo kwenyura tu ekyombekega na kyombege tenenere tabaro kyabanene bonsi bekiskuru cy'uburasaswe karaboniga igekareke wika omwero litskoria rero mangana mange kurwase sector isemiga kwanirwe kuri naito cyuko nyamanya senchira yobo ikram chikoraga Chinsa ibiro kurinde litangani ubotambuke EMASE yemotonyore ayaganda kwani kurwase county ya 001
home the way we left home the same number, because one of us left us to be with the Lord this morning. I would request of prayer to the family who has been left. A member from Kuria West, Migori County, Nyanza region, left us this morning. Mwenda zake alizirai akuwa ametuacha. We are going to stand with the members of Kuria West. Please let us observe a minute of silence. May our good Lord rest his soul in eternal peace. Thank you. Be seated. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the closure of our 21st National Delegates Conference, I hereby extend my
Mwanchu muri ndochiko koja manya senchera yobo ikaramu chikoraga Chinsa ibere chimarago yale kurinde boy go totiraleta se sector gisemi elialero ni gababwata ni kurase ewizare irengete gisemi wekerana ase committee bunge ukwanira mangana rengete eniwo ya Worokebe University go the new fund university funding model ayo wekeraboni ga egenderete gotwara obo tutu kanukima kolene gora gutambuki wikase committee yiwe gotararanyora hayani kokurase Chinsa mecho.
First and second year. Once this issue is resolved, we don't know which direction it will take. We already paid for them in the first semester. Most of the students had been paid during the first semester. The problem will even be greater if they are aware that there are students who have actually dropped out. There are students who have got issues with the fees because of the amount of money the government was sending. As at this year, 8,000 per student, which is quite low for their fees. So students who cannot afford are forced to drop out. That is a concern to us, and we have written to the
non-existent.
The universities are not compelled to give the data to COOPs. And that's why I mentioned that when we developed the platform for them, we have had 100% compliance from the public universities. But it is out of good.
Maboigo Mwanchu wa Mureto tikarita boiga se bunge nene liskurara eronigo mu inspector general w'abanyanyimpo Douglas Kanja boige krana ase committee ekurira mangano y'uburendi ase bunge nene ase boigo mangana mangende kwaniko kuri ase sector y'uburendi agokumanya tumwanchu wa umuriri w'ikraboni gagoetania bantemerongene nigo baitete gwikogo kwa boiga bane boniga korenda sumu inspector general abduction sana killing chinde chonsi ncho chere